Buckle up, gearheads. This countdown is about to raise your workshop game with the best car ramps. We're counting down the top 10 best car ramps that you can get right now. From steel to aluminum builds, portable versus fixed, and ramp angles that actually work with low-profile cars. You're about to see options that cover every garage. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car ramps that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Black Widow plastic car ramps. These lightweight ramps are designed for simple, everyday use, offering a compact footprint that slides easily into a trunk or storage cabinet after a quick driveway job. Construction relies on durable plastic that resists everyday weather, so you can leave them in a garage or shed without worrying about rust or corrosion. You can set these up on level concrete or pavement, and with their textured surface, they provide reasonable grip for standard passenger cars, SUVs, and crossover vehicles. Design focuses on portability more than brute force, which makes them ideal for DIY tire changes, wheel alignment checks, or reaching the bottom of the bumper for quick inspections. While they may not replace heavy steel ramps for frequent, industrial-grade lifts, they excel where light-duty access and quick stowability are valued. The ramp angle is engineered to strike a balance between a gentle approach and a usable height, enabling tires to crest the edge without scraping the undercarriage on most mid-size vehicles. Lack of a bulky frame means you can carry them with one hand in many cases, which reduces setup time when you're working solo in a tight garage. They come with a mild incline that helps guide the tire with minimal wheel spin, a feature particularly useful for low-profile tires that might otherwise struggle on steeper ramps. You'll notice a practical beveled edge along the contact surface, which improves entry over small lip thresholds and reduces scuffing on the tire sidewall. This is a cost-friendly option for beginners or temporary needs, offering straightforward operation and predictable performance under typical home use scenarios. Surface is easy to clean with a quick wipe after a muddy outdoor project, and the ramps store flat when not in use, freeing up floor space for other tools. Compared to the Rockland 4-ton car ramp set, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Black Widow ramps prioritize lightweight convenience and affordability over the high-load, all-metal durability of the Rockland set. Rockland ramps bring a substantial heft and the confidence of steel construction, making them a better match for vehicles that weigh more or see frequent, heavy-duty lift tasks, while still keeping a focus on stability and safety during use. Buyers who value portability and easy storage above brute strength, the Black Widow plastic ramps offer a reliable entry point into home lifting without the bulk and cost of heavier equipment. They also serve well as a secondary or companion set for quick maintenance tasks where you don't want to pull out bigger equipment, and their simple design makes them approachable for first-time car owners who want to understand how ramps function without a steep learning curve. At number 4, we have the Rockland 4-ton car ramp set. Built with solid steel and a broad, stable base, this pair of ramps is engineered to handle substantial loads while delivering long-term durability under frequent use. Steel construction gives these ramps a weighty, reassuring feel, which translates into confidence when pulling a heavier sedan, a compact SUV, or even light-duty trucks up for maintenance. Ramp surfaces typically feature a textured, non-slip finish that grips tires even in damp conditions, reducing the risk of wheel spin and sliding. Long-term value comes from the reinforced sidewalls and welded joints, which stand up to repeated clambers over the same corners and edges without bending or flexing. The ramp geometry is designed to minimize the risk of tire pinch and to provide a moderate rise that lets you clear common undercarriage components without scraping your exhaust or frame. Stability is further enhanced by a broad contact footprint, and in many models, a powder-coated exterior that resists rust and chips in spite of outdoor exposure. Key advantage of this set is the consistent performance across a range of vehicle heights, making it a popular choice for households that own more than one vehicle or for enthusiasts who work on cars as a hobby. Because these are high-capacity ramps, there is typically a higher weight to move and store compared to plastic options, but the payoff is the added resilience if you deal with uneven driveways, gravel, or frequently removed ramps for garage organization. You compare to the ROBLOCK Car Ramps. Included as number 3 on this list, the Rockland set wins on raw load-bearing strength and a simpler no-thrust design approach, while ROBLOCK's delivers a more compact footprint and a lighter, portable feel that's easier to carry around. Rockland ramps are an excellent fit for routine maintenance tasks that require steady, repeatable performance year after year, and they pair well with a hydraulic or manual jack for more demanding lift jobs. As a final note, the set's compatibility with common automotive jacks and its straightforward safety checks, like ensuring the ramps sit squarely on level ground, help prevent accidents and keep your workspace organized. At number 3, we have the ROBLOCK Car Ramps. These portable ramps balance compact size with practical stability, offering a design that aims for ease of use in cramped garages or driveways. The dimensions are crafted to fit under a broad range of vehicles without crowding the wheel wells, with a footprint that supports safe, stable positioning for wheel or undercarriage access. Build often emphasizes a sturdy base, rounded edges for cue-free positioning, and a non-slip finish that helps keep tires from slipping on slick surfaces. The ROBLOCK ramps are particularly appreciated for their ability to pair with various jacking points, giving you the option to lift gently and steadily without requiring heavy equipment. Their modular or stackable nature. Their design often allows one ramp to sit atop the other for added height. Works nicely for owners who need a little extra clearance from time to time rather than a full lift. You'll find that these ramps are light enough to move around the garage, making them a practical choice for weekend projects or routine tire checks. Durability is supported by robust plastics or composites that resist sun exposure and temperature shifts, keeping the ramps flexible yet firm over months of use. And you compare to the generic roll-up racetrack, which I have included as number 2 on this list. The ROBLOCKs focus on vehicle support, traction, and stability, while the generic track emphasizes portability and playful use for kids' toys rather than real-world automotive lifting. Car owners who want an approachable, everyday ramp solution that isn't overly complex or expensive, ROBLOCK ramps provide dependable performance with straightforward setup and modest storage requirements. They also tend to be budget-conscious while maintaining safety features such as a non-slip surface and stable base, providing a solid middle ground option for occasional home garages. At number 2, we have the generic roll-up racetrack. This item, while not a traditional automotive ramp, showcases a different approach to vehicle-themed setup, one aimed at light play and kid-friendly exploration rather than heavy-duty lifting. The racetrack is typically made from flexible materials that allow it to roll up into a compact cylinder for storage, which makes it ideal for families who want to keep a portable racing surface in a closet or trunk. It excels in portability, requiring almost no setup time. Unfold, place, and you're ready for action with toy cars or small-scale demonstrations. The surface is designed to be forgiving for plastic toy wheels, with a smooth track that minimizes resistance and keeps toy vehicles moving with a gentle push. This option shines when used as part of a learning activity about physics, speed, or basic car design, turning a garage or playroom into a miniature driving environment. Because it's not built for real vehicles, the roll-up track avoids issues like ramp incline, tire clearance, and ground clearance that real car ramps must contend with. The main appeal lies in its flexibility, lightweight, and quick cleanup, making it a favorite for kids' rooms, classrooms, and weekend projects where space is at a premium. And you place this beside the Worcest Hydraulic Car Ramps. Listed as number 1 on this list, you can clearly see the different purposes these products serve. One supports real-world vehicle access for maintenance, while the roll-up track offers educational, recreational value that's more about play than lifting a car. This is an industry-friendly reminder that not every ramp solution needs to bear the load of a vehicle. Sometimes the best choice is an adaptable, easy-to-store track that invites curiosity and family-friendly fun. At number 1, we have the Worcest Hydraulic Car Ramps. These hydraulic ramps are built for serious lifting with a focus on power, precision, and extended heavy-use capability. The hydraulic mechanism provides controlled, adjustable elevation, letting you choose a comfortable working height without requiring welterweight manual effort. Frames are constructed from heavy-duty steel or equivalent alloys, engineered to support substantial vehicle weights with a low risk of bending, twisting, or failure even after repeated lifts. Wide stance and reinforced feet give you a stable base that stays planted on uneven driveways, gravel, or concrete, which translates into safer operation during wheel alignments, brake service, or exhaust work. The integrated hydraulic lift allows you to raise and lower gradually, which minimizes sudden jolts and protects delicate components like suspension parts and brake lines during maintenance. Setup is well suited for frequent use by enthusiasts who regularly perform repairs at home, or for workshops that require reliable, repeatable lift assistance without the space demands of full-sized hydraulic lifts. Portability is still a factor here, as many Worcest models are designed to fold or telescope into a more compact package for storage and transport, albeit with the caveat that the unit may be heavier than plastic ramps. Safety features are emphasized through locking pins, non-slip feet, and careful load distribution, ensuring you can operate without slipping or tipping under high height. The overall experience is one of confidence when working on a range of vehicles, from sedans to light trucks, where precise access is crucial for tasks such as oil pan work, brake caliper service, or suspension diagnostics. Paired to the Black Widow plastic car ramps, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Worcest hydraulic ramps bring heavier construction, hydraulic control, and the ability to raise vehicles to a comfortable height with less manual effort. while the plastic ramps offer a lightweight, budget-friendly option that's ideal for smaller jobs and first-time buyers with limited space.